Hello from the Fink Labs today. Today we are going to do a foamy fizzy experiment. So what you're going to do is, if you don't have all different kinds of shapes of jars, that's fine. I just thought this would be kind of fun, but you could just get a regular bowl. But I want to try all different kinds of shapes to see what happens. So what you need first is you need clear white vinegar. This looks like water, but I already poured the clear white vinegar in there. And next you're going to add a few drops of dishwashing liquid. I like to use Dawn just because it just seems to work really well in all experiments. And ooh, bubbles! Did you see the bubbles? Yeah, I should move that. Bubbles! And then you mix it up. Try not to be, this one's a little difficult because it's, okay. All right, so there we have our three kinds. Let's see, and then we're gonna get, let's see that. We're gonna get food coloring. Again, I'm gonna use my neon ones because they just seem to be really cool. I'm gonna put a little bit of blue in this one. We'll put a little bit of green in this one. And we'll put a little bit of pink in that one. Get rid of those guys. We're gonna stir those up. Ooh, pretty colors, huh? I'm gonna make sure I don't mix the colors. Luckily in the Fink Lab, my house is so tiny, everything I have is right at hand. Remember my tour, my sink is right by this. Okay, pretty colors. And next, we're gonna do the fun part. You're gonna take baking soda. When I say baking powder, don't listen to me. I mean to say baking soda. Because baking soda is fizzy. So adding the dishwashing liquid makes the mixture foam up more because it traps the bubbles of gas from the reaction. So the vinegar and lemon juice are acids, and when you mix them with baking soda, the ingredients change really fast, and this produces a lot of bubbles with carbon dioxide gas, which makes the froth makes it froth and fizz. If you've ever seen somebody do a volcano experiment, that's usually what they use. And then, like I said, the dishwashing liquid makes the mixture foam up more because it traps the bubbles. And next we're gonna, my kitties are getting fed. Next we're gonna add the foam. So let's see. I'm gonna move them apart just a little bit and let's see what happens. Do you see it working? Isn't that cool? Oh, I wonder if I could get the light. I wish I didn't have this light here. The light from my kitchen window makes it. There we go. Isn't that cool? I wonder if I stir it, if more would happen. Here, I'm gonna try to put this up here. Block that sunlight. Let me see if I can add a little more baking powder, soda. See, I almost said it. Let's see, I want to move this over a little bit because that towel is pretty cool. Let's see if we can see the blue one, if the blue one will do a little bit more for us. A little bit. This one's harder because it's got a tinier hole. So, see, it won't accept it. It's like, what are you doing? Silly Miss Penley. There we go. There you go. There! Sweet! The green one's dumping over on this side. Awesome. And if you could see the tray, maybe I can pick up my computer and show you the tray because the colors are all over. I can pick it up a little bit. See? Isn't that cool? So very, very experiment for you to do at home. Again, you need plain white vinegar. You need some sort of dishwashing liquid. So the plain white vinegar, the dishwashing liquid, baking soda, and any kinds, if you have food coloring. Food coloring is great, any color. You want to have the food coloring because it's just a little more pop for the experiment. It just kind of makes it a little cooler, doesn't it? Oop, I just added some blue. So again, vinegar and lemon are acids, and when you mix them with baking soda, the ingredients change very, very rapidly, and this produces lots of bubbles of carbon dioxide gas, which makes the mixture froth and fizz. It's still fizzing a little bit on the top. If you could be here, you could see that. Adding the dishwashing liquid makes the mixture foam more because it makes the bubbles of gas, it traps, sorry, I'm reading. Adding dishwashing liquid makes the mixture foam up more because it traps the bubbles of gas from the reaction, so they kind of get a little more contained. And the food dye helps you to see more clearly what is happening. So a fun kind of experiment today for you from the Fink Labs. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time at the Fink Labs, goodbye.